This is so real. Oh my gosh. Wow. Wow. Stobak Falls. Here we come. We've been seeing this in Google, in YouTube, and now we're here. We're here for you. Guys, we're in Stobak Falls. Yay! What's this? Stobak Falls. You can hike up to the Stobak Falls from the base of Lauterbrunnen.
We are under the waterfall.
We just went up there. If you really insist to go up, it's fine, but it's not really worth it. And the way is very steep, and there's only two ways. Only two persons can pass at one time. We're on our way down, and we'll just roam around. They have a graveyard in here, graveyard, and it's kind of beautiful. But even though it's beautiful, I don't want to be in there. But you know, time will come, but not now. Ito nga pala yung camping area na ang babayaran mo ay per lot size. So let's say gusto mo ng 200 meter. 200 meter? Masyadong malaki yun. Basta you know what I mean. Like kunyari, yan o, yung maliliit na camping or yung tent. Yan. Magdepende yung gusto mong lupa sa babayaran mo. So it's another alternative din kung ayaw nyo mag-Airbnb kasi sobrang mahal. Pwede kayo mag-camping. And then, ito yung camper na may van. Usually, yung may mga ganito yung from Europe. Tapos, punta sila dito. Gusto sana namin to i-try, pero hindi na namin kinuha kasi, syempre, dun tayo sa mas convenient. Pero, pwede to sa mga bachelors. And even for families, pwede siya. Falls and the other twin falls. I'm not sure what's the name. Bahay nila ba yung rooftop? May roof.
Full roof.
May flower. Papunta kami dito. Yan, punta kami dyan. What are you doing? What no?
Nga lang puti man siya. It's right.
It's great on top of Muren with this view. Super taas. Dito na kami sa Muren Village. Grabe, yung lubos mo akalain na nasa tuktok siya. Sumakay kami ng cable car papunta dito para lang makita yung lugar na to. It's a village. And siguro mga 5 to 7 minutes may sumakay ng cable car. Super steep talaga. Sa lahat ng cable car na sinakyan namin, yun yung pinaka-steepest. As in, hindi ko ma-imagine kung paano nila binuilt yun. And pwede nga pala kayong sumakay from Muren, diretso ng Interlaken Ost. Yan o. Tingnan natin dito sa loob. Ito yung terminal something sa kanila. Then pwede din kayo bumili ng ticket kung wala kayong ticket sa SBB or wala kayong application or wala kayong internet, pwede dito. She's taking photos of the flowers like me. Nice. They're chilling. Drinking alcohol is very common here in a sunny afternoon, waiting for the sunset. Look at these beautiful flowers. It's only in the street. Nice kaayo, grabe. As in, I want like this. Can I stay here, boss? Please, can you endorse me to the head of Switzerland? I want to stay here and live here. Like cheese and honey. And sausage. Ito yung bahay nila. My pool. You know, flowers. Wildflowers everywhere. Yung asawa ko nauna na. Yan. Normal lang talaga na may mga flowers kahit saan. Punta kami Gimmelwald. Yan. By walk, 35 minutes. Pero kung mag-train ka, mga 15 minutes or 10 minutes siguro. Kaya naman, maaga pa. 6:30 pa ng gabi. Ganito talaga dito. Ang tagal ng sunset. Tapos, tingnan nyo naman. Gusto ko ng ganito sa bahay. Ayan o. Grabe talaga dito. Yan. ganito ba naman yung background mo while playing music. Lion. Kato siya, padong dato. Payon dere. Kay Gimelwald and we are strong man. So, magbaklay rami. Ayun. Payon dato. Mato ang Gimelwald. Ganito naman kaganda yung lalakarin mo pababa. Okay na, okay lang. Bagot-bot do kuno ko. Okay lang siya. 35 minutes. And muna ang lugar. Ay, pwede mo mag-bike. Ano, bikers. Hala, so to yun. Bantay mo, balintong bitaw. Nice kaayo. Promise. Worth it. Worth it. Ayaw na i-minding ako ang face nga medyo haggard nga unsa na ba ning pormahan ni kay grabing adlaw dere and walay tabon-tabon, sunscreen lang. I'm just using my iPhone 15 Pro Max fully paid. Charis. Joke lang. I'm only using my phone, and make sure that if ever you're gonna use your phone, just bring your power bank. Kasi pangalawang charge ko na to. Well, actually I'm charging now, pero hindi ko maiwasan na hindi mag-video sa sobrang ganda ng paligid para makapture ko talaga siya. I mean, nag-e-enjoy ako na walang camera, pero mas maganda din na alam mo yon, nakikita ninyo kung ano yung mga pinaglalakaran namin dito. Super ganda talaga. Ayan o, yun yung cable car. Kung makita nyo, yan sana yung sasakyan namin eh. Mga 10 to 15 minutes lang yan. Pero since pinili namin maglakad, mga 35 minutes, depende kung gaano kakabilis maglakad. Okay lang siya kasi hindi naman siya sobrang steep at may maayos na daan. Pwede ka din mag-shortcut, pero wag ka na mag-shortcut kasi delikado. Mas better na safety. Yan yung Shideg, Shokideg, something, basta ganon. Hirap-hirap pronounce. Yan yung falls galing sa taas. Ayan o. Yun yung bukid kung saan yung ice ay natutunaw. Tapos may mga kililing, tililing, ring, ring, ring. Dahil may mga cows doon. I-zoom lang natin ng konti para makita nyo. Yan. Ayan o. Yan. Tsaka ang ganda dito kasi ang dami nilang pagkain. And not only that, matataba yung mga halaman dito. I mean mga damo. Hi sheep! Sheep o goat. Sheep at saka goat magkasama.
Sheep lang yun.
Ayan o, goat yan o. Pick yan ang isa.
Sheep yan.
Baka tingnan nyo naman yung paligid ko. Palibot. Ayan. Yan o, wilderness. Yan yung mga flowers, wildflowers. Yan. Super lapit na namin. Naririnig na namin yung pag-break ng cable car. Kung magke-cable car kayo from Muren to Grindelwald. No, Gimelwald. Pag ano kayo, cable car, siguro yung pamasahe mga 3.95 or 4 francs. And pwede naman siya, it's an option, pero mas pinili namin na maglakad kasi nga, ayun nga, gusto namin ma-witness at makita yung beauty ng Gimelwald or on the way to Gimelwald from Muren. And may mga kabayan din kaming nakita, siguro mga 3 lang. And yun, not sure kung saan sila galing. Ay, walang laman. Walang laman. Kita nyo naman, napakadaming file ng wood. Siguro hindi sila gumagamit ng gas pag nagluluto. Parang si mama lang eh. Ang daming kahoy sa bahay. For heater? Ubo siguro yan. Or baka pang luto. Depende. I don't know. Wow. Where? I'm telling you, it's real good.
Good one.
Oh,
Good. I'm not sure about that on the half-hour thing.
yeah.
So.
Yeah. Let's head down that way. It's already 7:30. Ang sabi 35 minutes, pero ngayon 1 hour na. Bakit naman? Siyempre, dahil sa kaka-picture, kaka-video, tapos konting pahinga. Yan. Yung views. Amazing. Yan. Mga siguro mga 5 minutes na lang siguro. Nandito na kami. Ang ganda. Grabe. Tingnan mo yung sunset. Yung rays ng sun. Instead na yellow. Diba sa Middle East is yellow? Dito, bluish. Yan, bluish. Alam mo dati, pinipaint ko lang yan. Yung shadow. Yan. Pinipaint ko talaga yung shadow kasi it really gives life, real life sa painting. Kapag ka walang shadow, hindi mo masyado ma-appreciate. Pero, alam mo yun, shadow, nandito ako. Guys, Lauterbrunnen, that side. Gimmelwald, that side. Sabi ng signboard. Ayan, may falls where you can drink water. They are selling handicrafts. Handicrafts? Handcrafts, yan.
Handcrafted.
Lapit tayo para makita nyo. Postal, first day covers and collections for 10 francs each. Pang mug ata to. Faster, you have 8 minutes. Run. waiting on the train. First time since Saturday. Wala pa nakainom og sabaw. This is my food. Tom yum. And this is his food. Chicken. Rice. Chicken. Yay! Thank you, Lord. Just had our dinner in Asia, Chinese and Thailand restaurant for two adult rice, and tom yum and some vegetable with chicken. We paid a total of 45 francs.